Hello friends, good day to all of you. Today we are going to make a simple curry, sweet and spicy and tangy green tomato curry. Khatti meethi tamatar ki sabzi. Now these green tomatoes are really very nutritious. You must include them in your diet. These are loaded with fiber, proteins and carbohydrates which help us to maintain our blood pressure and to some extent even reduce the risk of heart problems. They make also a great substitute for carrots to maintain our healthy eyes and beautiful glowing skin. So don't you think we must include them in the diet in some form or the other? You can make curry, you can make chutney, add them to your soups and salads or make a salsa. So this way we can consume them regularly. So let's go and make the curry today. For the curry, we require green tomatoes as needed. Wash them well and cut into small pieces. Now for the tempering, we require Asafoetida 2 pinches, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. You may use any oil you like. And then we have turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chilli powder 1/2 teaspoon, salt as needed, Jaggery powder 1 teaspoon, Coriander powder 1 teaspoon, Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon and Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Now let's start making the curry. Heat the mustard oil in a pan. Remember to heat it at smoking point and then cool it little before adding the ingredients. Once it is hot, reduce the flame. Add the tempering ingredients Asafoetida and cumin seeds first and allow them to crackle. Once they crackle, at the same low flame, add the spice powders. Turmeric, red chilli powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder. Stir them until they give a nice aroma, but make sure the flame is low so that they don't get burnt and become black. Now dip in the green tomatoes. Cover with the lid and increase the flame little bit to medium. Intermittently open the lid and keep stirring them. This is a very easy curry. All you have to do is just mix everything. Now add the salt and jaggery powder. Give it a good stir so that everything gets mixed well. Cover it and continue to cook. These tomatoes get cooked in their own juices. You don't have to add any water. This is a very easy curry. Just few ingredients. All you have to do is stir. It's good for beginners and bachelors as well. Taste and nutrition combined together. It takes only 7 or 8 minutes to cook this. Halfway through, you check for salt. Add if it is required, and even other ingredients, jaggery, you can add to your liking. Some like to add more jaggery, but I prefer less. Check if the tomatoes are done. They need to be cooked little more, so we'll simmer it again for some time. This curry requires stirring at regular intervals so that the spices don't get stuck to the bottom and get burnt. And we should also take care that we don't overcook the tomatoes. They should be firm and nice. Once it is ready, garnish with coriander leaves. You can enjoy this as a side dish with khichdi tastes very good papad, khichdi and green tomato curry. Or you can even relish it with rotis. It's very delicious, sweet, sour and spicy and tangy. You love it. So give it a try. You must make this curry. And all of you who are new visitors, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Here are some more videos. If you like, you can watch them in case you have not seen them before. See you soon with a new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.